Hey guys, welcome back to the show. We got a 1971 Corvette Stingray. Pretty sweet little car, small block 350 under the hood. Now this thing is bone stock, original, top to bottom, looks great, fun little driver. Now you've seen us put a lot of custom auto sounds in because, right, they look like they're kind of factory. They look at least period correct, but they've got all the modern goodies in there, right? So this is the USA 850. It's got all the same Bluetooth, right? It's got RCA outs. It's got dual subwoofers that go with amplifiers to really crank up sound. It's even got, the microphone so you can do your phone. Pretty awesome. But this one is the newest with digidial technology, fully patented. This won the 2025 SEMA Mobile Electronics Product of the Year. It's pretty cool. Now, if I turn it on over here, you can see it's got what looks like an old analog screen to it. And you can use the dials and you can move the little red line around. You can push the button and you can hit all your favorite presets. But that's an actual digital screen. So what you can do is you can change all sorts of different presets to get different looks. So you can really kind of customize it by day or just by vehicle to what you want. It's pretty neat. It's out of a virtual analog screen. So it's a Custom Autosound 850, the USA 850. Pretty cool unit. We're gonna get it in this car and really start playing around with all the sub-menus and things that you can do because it is a modern radio that just looks vintage. Pretty neat.
All right, so first thing we noticed when I pulled this thing out, it's actually a Custom Autosound radio manufactured in 1992. So, man, the guy's, at least he's consistent, right? Quality stuff, good sounds, but 30 years outdated. So it's gonna be cool to bring this stereo back into, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, all the fun stuff we have today. Now, getting to this is a little bit cumbersome. It's really just a lot of Phillips screwdrivers, just a Phillips head screwdriver. Got a bunch that go this way, a bunch in here. Take out this big piece right here. That allows you to bend that out and get the radio out. So, easy to put on. It's, just a bunch of these little guys right here. So be patient, have some fun with it, and it won't be long before we're jamming from our phones in our 71 Corvette. Kind of cool.